Hello everyone, this is Ernesto with Aftershoot. We are in Sync, Orlando, and our mission today is to get people in trouble. All right, photographers, looking for photographers. So let me ask you a question. Which would be your least favorite lens for a portrait? Which one would you never use?
Probably the 50 millimeter.
50?
Yeah.
You don't like 50?
Nope. Not a fan.
Okay, then I'm gonna give you a 50 and you're gonna take a portrait of me.
Oh, yeah?
That's our mission today. Let's see how it goes. Okay, there she is. It's not exactly a 50, it's a 55, but
Oh, 50. Come on.
it's kind of the same thing. Let's see how it goes. I don't want to interrupt people because they're doing their thing, but here we are. How's it going, man?
Good.
Good. How's the show treating you?
Really good.
Really good?
Yep, really good.
Let me ask you a question. Which one is your go-to lens for portraits?
Ooh,
Focal length.
probably 70 to 200.
Okay. Which lens would you never, ever use for a portrait?
Anything below 35.
I'm going to get something below 35 and you have to take a portrait of me.
Okay.
That's your challenge.
It has to be Sony.
Yeah, let's get it going. Let's get it going. He's cheating because he's taking me to a good lighting spot. Smart. He's smart. He didn't just take the photo anywhere. He wants to take a good spot. All right, so you got a very, very ultra wide angle lens. That's a 12 to 24. So what focal length are you gonna choose?
24.
Okay, trying to keep it safe within the parameters, right?
I mean, I might switch it up a little bit.
Okay, well, here we are. All right, so far we have a 50 mil and we have on the wide side, he took a 24 and a 12 mil portrait. How's it going, sir?
Good,
How you doing? What's your name?
My name is Corey.
Corey. What kind of photography do you shoot?
That
Oh, nice. Look at that. Now tell me something. What's your go-to lens for that kind of photography?
I don't know. I switch it up every now and then
Okay, but then which one would you never, ever use for a portrait?
for a portrait. It depends. Nothing under 24.
Nothing under 24.
Nothing under 24.
Okay, so tell you what. I'm going to challenge you to take a portrait with a lens under 24.
Oh, I don't have one under 24.
Actually, I do. So I knew people were going to choose the wider lenses. Man, made sense to me. I was surprised to see a 55. I mean 50, but I had 55. Let's see what we can do here. Oh! Look at this guy here, man. It's Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. How's it going?
Weird. How you doing, man?
I thought I was the biggest guy here, but man,
Well, you got some good size. Man.
yeah, you know you're not allowed to bring weapons into the show.
No weapons.
Yeah.
No weapons. You hear that? No weapons.
So what kind of photography do you do?
We are volume photographers, so we do.
Yeah, I can see your volume. I can see your
Yeah,
volume.
we're volume. Yeah. So schools and sports, man.
Okay, so let me tell you something. Which one is your go-to lens?
Go-to lens. I am a huge fan of 50 millimeter. I like storytelling, so actually, when we're not doing volume in sports, I'm a huge fan of documentary.
So which lens would you never ever use to shoot a portrait?
Oh man, probably a 24. It's like a lot of bending and stuff. I mean, you can make it work, and you can do some really fun things with it, but it's definitely not going to be my go-to.
Okay, so you're gonna shoot a portrait of me with a 24.
I would love to do that. bro.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Yeah, man. I don't know where to go.
You're so high. I have to tilt the camera up. Like this is how I see him.
Let's go. Let's walk this way and find something to do. Let's take a walk.
Perfect. Let's do it.
Oh, we're hanging out with my boy Geeko to Hiram. These guys are sponsors of ours. We love working with their light equipment.
How's it going, man?
What's up?
Okay, so Jason is building a whole production here.
Yeah, we're putting a set together.
Yeah, he's cheating a little bit, but yeah, we'll make it work.
Was it on the spot? Sorry.
No, don't worry. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, where should I stand?
Yeah, a lot of bending, a lot of distortion.
Yeah, I can tell.
And going right here. All right, man. There you go.
Man,
Let's see what we got.
he used up my entire memory card. Okay, show me.
All right, let's see.
Okay, so that was fun. Used the Star Wars lightsaber, and the Force was with him. So let's see if the Force is with other people too. Hello? Yo, how's it going, Ryan? How's it going, man?
I'm having a fantastic time.
Cool. So what's your type of photography?
Portraiture mainly. School, seniors,
Nice.
executives.
So when it comes to portraits, which one would be your go-to lens?
Ooh, my go-to lens, 7200, 2.8, Canon. I'm a Canon guy.
Okay, no problem. Which lens would you never ever?
Uh-oh, that's a Sony. All right,
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
cool. No worries.
Hey, no shame,
All good,
no
all
shame.
good, all good.
Let me tell me something. Which lens would you never use to shoot a portrait?
Obviously, wide angle, you wouldn't need that
Okay.
for most portraits.
Okay.
Unless you're doing groups.
So let me tell you something. I'm gonna give you a wide angle lens, and you're gonna shoot a portrait of me. That's your challenge.
A wide angle lens.
Yeah, ultra wide.
Ultra wide.
And then you gotta shoot a portrait of me.
Man.
I'm putting you in the spot.
Ooh, putting you on the spot. I don't know how to operate that.
Well, I'll show you. I'll show you.
Oh, okay.
So there's a Canon guy holding a Sony, and it's a wide angle, and he's gonna try and pull it up.
Oh man, a Canon guy on Sony. Boy, I'm totally set up.
She's hiding. How's it going? Hi.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good. How
Are you liking the show?
Awesome. It's great. I've spent a lot of money.
Oh yeah.
Time to leave.
Well, yeah, it's investment. It's not spending. It's investment.
That's right.
What kind of photography do you shoot?
Seniors and a little bit of volume photography.
Okay. So when you do portraits, which is your go-to lens?
24 to 70
Okay.
or 50.
Which lens would you not use for portrait photography?
A 14.
You would never use a 14.
I wouldn't. I don't.
Okay,
I
so
should try it.
I'm gonna put you in the spot. You're gonna take a photo of me with a 14 focal length.
Okay.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, here we are. How's it going, Susan?
Susan, yes.
Nice. So,
Madison Photo Works. We're in Covington, Kentucky, Cincinnati,
perfect.
Ohio.
so which would be your go-to lens to shoot a portrait?
Oh, I'm not a photographer.
Oh, no.
Well, I am a photographer,
Yeah?
but I don't shoot portraits and stuff.
What do you shoot?
I shoot landscapes.
Oh,
and,
nice.
yeah, that kind of stuff. Fun
Cool.
stuff. Yeah.
But you have shot a portrait at some point.
I used to use an 85.
Yeah.
but I used
Well,
to have a fixed lens on my Nikon, and I used the 85 for my portraits.
okay, perfect. So, I guess you would not shoot a portrait with a wide-angle lens that you actually do use for landscapes, right?
I do. Yes,
Okay.
I do.
So what if
Sometimes if you wanted to do something funky, a wide-angle lens on a portrait.
Well, let's do something funky. I'm gonna give you a wide angle, and you're gonna shoot a portrait of me.
Okay.
Okay, let's do it.
All right.
Perfect. There she is, landscape photographer, trying to shoot a portrait. Okay, she's going for the angle. Let's see. Oh, hello, how's it going? How you guys doing?
Good.
Good. Are you enjoying the convention?
I am.
What kind of photography do you shoot?
Seniors.
Okay, perfect. So a lot of portraits.
Yes.
So which one is your go-to lens for that?
My 85.
You what?
85.
Okay, so which lens would you not use for portraits?
I hate the 50.
You hate the 50?
Everybody loves it, but
Okay, so you are gonna shoot a portrait of me with a 50. That's your challenge.
Right now?
Right now, right here, on the spot. Let's do it. There she is. She's ready. She's ready. There she goes. Okay, Jenny, do it. He's hiding from me. Because he knew I was coming. You saw me coming, didn't you?
Coming, I was gonna bolt.
Tony, how's it going, man? How you liking the show?
So far, so good. Love it.
What kind of photos do you shoot?
Dance photography, a little bit of cheer, and a little bit of gymnastics.
Nice, cool. So if you were to shoot a portrait, which lens would you never consider using?
Wide angle, like a 14. Never consider anything lower than 50.
So I'm gonna put you on the spot. You're gonna shoot a portrait of me with a 14. He's checking it out, looking at the equipment, seeing what he can do, and pick your angle. Oh, I like the position, man. Boudoir photographer right there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh my lord.
Booking information gonna show underneath right here. So you can book her for your boudoir photography shoots. Hi, Christine. How's it going?
She won 3 months.
Woohoo! Whoa, you're a winner?
I am. I'm very excited.
Oh, amazing. What kind of photography do you shoot?
Children in daycares.
Okay. So, if you were to shoot a portrait, which lens would you not use?
Gosh.
Like, take one out of your bag. I'm not gonna need this lens for portrait photography.
A 10 to a 20?
Okay, so you're gonna shoot a portrait of me with a wide focal length then. Let's do it. There she is, dreading the second she spoke to me. Let's see how she, oh,
my gosh. Actually, it's not
perfect.
so bad.
It's not so bad?
Very close, but it's not so bad.
Let's see. Oh, no, it's perfect.
It's actually not so bad.
Yeah. Okay, so that was fun. We had some fun here in Sync Orlando with the Aftershoot crew and all the photographers that showed up. So I guess it's over. See you guys in the next one.